Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make your own bias strip. Usually these are the bias strips that we have available in the market. They are plain, but in case you want to make one that is custom with your own fabric, I'll be showing you how to do it. So the first thing is to cut out your fabric. My fabric here is 16 inches by 16 inches. And so I am going to be folding this diagonally like this, and I would press here. I'm just trying to get this mark, and then I would cut it open. So after cutting it open, this is what I have. So I'm going to be taking this edge and placing it on this edge. This edge goes on this edge. So like so. And then I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch, 0.25 from this place to this place. Okay, so I am back from the sewing machine and this is what I have. So I'm going to open up this middle and iron it just so that the seams are open. So this is what I have now. Now we're going to mark the width of the bias that we want to make. This one that I said was store-bought. If you open it up, it gives you exactly 1 inch, but I want something bolder, so I'm going to be going for 2 inches. I'm going to mark 2 inches. I'll mark that on this side as well. After drawing our 2-inch lines, this is what I have. I'm going to cut out this edge because it's not up to 2 inches. Okay, and then we're going to turn this over like this because we need to sew it like this. So now at this edge, you're going to make sure that you leave this on the outside because you need a beginning and you need an ending. So we're going to pin like this. So now when you're pinning your lines, they don't have to be exact. They don't have to meet each other exact like this. You need to make sure that there is a space of 1/4 of an inch. So they're intersecting at 1/4 of an inch, not exactly meeting each other. So I'll pin this down. So now I'm going to head over to the sewing machine and sew this all the way to the end here. And I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I have after sewing here by 1/4 of an inch. If you sew by 1/4 of an inch, it's most likely that your lines would meet up. So now I'm just going to cut it continuously. So this is our bias. Now, why do we cut our bias diagonally? Because the fabric stretches diagonally, not when it is straight. So this is the main fabric. And if I was to, on this side, it doesn't stretch, as you can hear. But this way, it stretches. And that's why we cut our bias diagonally. I just needed to explain that. So this is our bias tape maker. And this is our bias strip that we just made. Now, because this has a sharp edge, we don't necessarily need to use a pin to, poke it in here. Because it has a sharp edge, you can just move in real nice and you're able to pull it out from here. And so you can begin to iron. You can begin to iron your strip and form your bias strip. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share with your sewing community as well so that they can learn how to make their own bias strip. Thank you and bye.